Tired of switching between apps just to add a flowchart to your Jira task? Here's how to create one directly inside Jira with draw.io. No more exporting images, no more dragging files around. You just open your task, build your diagram, and it stays right there with everything else. So here's the plan. First, we'll install the draw.io app from the Atlassian Marketplace. Then we'll open a task and add a diagram. Let's go step by step. All right, start from your Jira dashboard. This is where you see your project board or your backlog. Now, look over at the left side panel. You'll see a menu with things like your project, issues, and at the bottom, you'll find Apps. Click on Apps. Now, navigate to the Apps section. Once you click on Apps, a smaller menu pops up. You want to look for the option that says Explore More Apps. Go ahead and click that. This opens the Atlassian Marketplace right inside Jira. Use the search bar at the top. Type in draw.io. Just the letters. You don't need anything fancy. You'll see a few results pop up. The one you want is called draw.io diagrams for Jira. Make sure it's the official one by the company draw.io. If you haven't installed it yet, you'll see a button that says Try it free or Get it. Click that and follow the prompts. In my case, I've already added it, so it shows as installed. But if this is your first time, just give it a moment to install. It's a quick process. Now, go back to your project. Click on Your Space in the left side panel. That takes you back to your project board or backlog list. From here, open any task. It doesn't matter if it's a bug, a story, or a task. Just click on one to open its detail view. Now, on the right side of the screen, you'll see the Task Details panel. At the very top right of that panel, there are three little dots. Click on those three dots. A drop-down menu appears. Look for the option that says Add Draw.io diagram. Click on that. A new window opens up. This is where the magic happens. You can either choose from a bunch of templates, things like flowcharts, org charts, network diagrams, or you can start from a blank canvas. If you're mapping out a process, a template is a huge time saver. But if you want total freedom, go with a blank one. Once you've decided, click the blue Create button at the bottom. Now you're inside the draw.io editor. This looks and feels just like the standalone version. Drag and drop shapes, connect them with arrows, add text, build exactly what you need. When you're happy with your flowchart, click Save in the top right corner. A small dialog box will pop up asking for a file name. Give it something descriptive, like User Onboarding Flow or Bug Triage Process. Then click Save again. That's it. Your diagram is now attached directly to that Jira task. Anyone who opens the task can click on it, view it, or even edit it later. No more hunting through shared drives or redoing work. If you work with Confluence too, the same app works over there. You can embed diagrams directly into pages, keep them updated, and your whole team sees the latest version. It's one of those things that once you start using it, you wonder why you didn't do it sooner.